How to use your Adesso Keyboard with Fingerprint Reader and Windows Hello for convenient biometric authentication.
Step 1. Connect your Adesso Keyboard with built-in Fingerprint Reader to your PC as described in its user guide.
Step 2. Access your Windows 11 settings panel by right-clicking on the Windows Start icon in the taskbar and selecting Settings. Step 3. Select Accounts to enter the User Access Management for your system.
And then select Sign-in options.
Step 4. Select Fingerprint Recognition using Windows Hello from the available options. Then click the Setup button to start the setup process.
Follow the setup instructions to add your fingerprint data to the system. Once complete, you are ready to use your Adesso Keyboard with Fingerprint Reader to sign in to your PC.